Hello, Kevin here again. Just wanted to post another follow-up with some comments and thoughts about FSD 12.5.5. Today I went on an extended trip to another city, about a 40-mile one-way trip and back. So a little under 100 miles round trip. And I just want to say that, first of all, it's very impressive, the 12.5.5. I don't know if it's because of the hardware but it just seems a lot more responsive and more intuitive and quicker to make decisions than my hardware 3, Model 3 that I had. And my Model 3 did not have 12.5 either, so maybe it's the software. Maybe it's a combination of both, I don't know. But the technology, the FSD is very impressive on the Cybertruck. I will say, however, there doesn't seem to be any way to make any granular controls on it at this point. You just basically turn it on or off. And it is much more aggressive than what I'm used to in FSD. And it to a point to where it has frightened me a couple of times. I guess the biggest complaint I have, and this is something Tesla really needs to get dialed in, is it brakes very abruptly and it comes in very fast behind. I've had it come in hot or very fast behind a couple of vehicles, almost to the point where it had to slam on brakes when it had plenty of time and it saw the vehicles on the screen. Yeah, but it would wait till it got all the way up to the vehicle before it applied brakes. And in one instance, I had things in the bed of the truck that just shifted all the way to the front. And so that's something that I know will get dialed in better in the future. But it's probably the biggest complaint I have at this point. I did have it one time. And I don't know that this is not really an issue. It didn't cause any accident or anything, of course, but it was just an example of how aggressive it is. But we were behind it came up behind a car, and it looked like I was very close to the back of this car, and then all of a sudden it decides it's going to change lanes to get in a faster lane. It did it so quickly. It put the blinker on and jumped into the other lane, and I just knew that it was going to hit the car in front of it. But apparently, it had it had enough space to clearance in the front to miss the other car. But it caught me off guard, and I realized that this thing makes very quick decisions, is very fast to move. I will say too, and this has been reported by me and others, is it turns very sharply on left turns, going over the yellow line or the center line in many cases. And today there was a median, paved median in between the lanes, and it clipped the median with the my back wheel here, which it was a curb median, so we're kind of rounded at the tops and bottoms, so it really didn't really do any damage. But whenever I'm making a left turn FSD and there's a concrete median, I guess I need to make sure that it's not squared off, or it could cause more damage to the wheel cover or the tire, or even these mud flaps or fenders that I have, flares. But at any rate, just wanted to share a few comments about my experiences today with FSD. And if you got any questions, be sure to put them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And make sure you like and subscribe for future content. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.